Richard L. Peterson. Dr. Richard L. Peterson is an American behavioral economist and psychiatrist. He has developed behavioral finance-based quantitative models, imaged the brains of test subjects while play trading, and is a writer and consultant in the psychology of financial decisions and the mining of sentiment in social media. Dr. Peterson developed text mining software to identify and quantify economically predictive sentiments, and speaks widely in the area of behavioral finance and social media analytics. Life. Dr. Peterson graduated from the University of Texas, with a B.S. cum laude in electrical engineering, a B.A., and Doctor of Medicine degrees, M.D. He performed postdoctoral neuroeconomics research at Stanford University, is board certified in psychiatry, and is a visiting scholar at Claremont Graduate University. He is an investment advisor and managing director of the sentiment analysis firm Markets Data and the psychology-based quantitative asset management firm Markets Capital. In the educational field, he developed financial personality tests, published in academic journals and textbooks, and is an associate editor of the Journal of Behavioral Finance. In 2007, Dr. Peterson wrote Inside the Investor's Brain, Wiley, which translated behavioral finance concepts from academia to a lay audience. In 2016 he published Trading on Sentiment, Wiley, which explained sentiment-based patterns in financial market prices. Dr. Peterson has appeared in CBS Evening News, CNBC, NPR, BBC, Wall Street Journal, Financial Times, and Harvard Business Review. He lives in California with his family. Academic journal articles. Textbook chapters. Books.